Airsoft America 110 here, and Monkey Cod, and I'm doing a review today on the tactical airsoft version of the UHC 8-inch Revolver. And this is a massive gun. It's very inexpensive, and it's a very good weapon to have in your arsenal when you play. As you can see, it's a revolver. The whole chamber opens up, spins very nicely, has shells just like a revolver here, and it fits one BB in at a time. I have ammo just for practicing. I usually use the .20 gram BBs, but this is .12 for cheap shooting. And as you can see, it's green gas powered, so I bought some extra green gas. I bought this off of ShortyUSA.com. It's a very inexpensive gun. Shorty USA is a very reliable website. I recommend buying from Shorty USA. It was $50-some. Got it for Christmas, and I liked it very much. And that's the review on the Shorty USA Tactical Black Airsoft Revolver from UHC 8-inch version.